Have you ever noticed how soothing it is to listen to the sound of rain, waves, or a bubbling stream? If you have trouble falling asleep or staying asleep, you might want to try using water sounds as a natural sleep aid. Water sounds are a type of white noise, which is a sound that contains all frequencies at equal intensity. White noise can mask other noises that might disturb your sleep, such as traffic, snoring, or neighbors. It can also create a consistent and relaxing sound environment that helps you drift off to dreamland. Water sounds are especially beneficial for sleep because they have a calming effect on our nervous system. They can lower our heart rate, blood pressure, and stress hormones, and increase our production of serotonin and melatonin, which are hormones that regulate our mood and sleep cycle. Water sounds can also stimulate our brain's alpha waves, which are associated with relaxation and creativity. By listening to water sounds before or during sleep, we can enhance our physical and mental well-being.